Hey guys, it's your girl Tash. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself. You don't know, up. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the 2-strand twist using a method that will promote hair growth and help your hair to retain moisture. So first, I am just taking out these granny plaits. I usually make these granny plaits on her hair after washing her hair. It's a traditional thing for many of us, but if you don't know about this, I will leave a link below that shows you how to do this, because I always recommend that you do the 2-strand twist or the granny plaits after washing your hair to keep your hair straight and detangled until you're ready to style your hair. I recommend this especially for people with 4B to C type hair, as those hair type has a high level of shrinkage. Anyways, I am using these little hair bands because they feel soft and it will be more gentler on her scalp than using rubber bands. So I won't be using any gel in her hair at all. I will just apply some leave-in conditioner and I won't put too much at once. So I don't want all that residue in her hair, so I don't put too much at once. And I won't wrap the bands too tight on her scalp either, as it holds nicely and it doesn't slip. In Jamaica, we call these scrunchies and they came in all different sizes and colors. So now I will make the 2-strand twist, and I will start by using my thumb and index fingers to twist in different directions, then go over once and switch hands and repeat, twist, switch, and repeat, twist, switch, and repeat until the end. So once you get down to the end, just give it a nice rub to seal the ends. As you can see, the bands gave the hair a nice grip. You can see how smooth this section look on the scalp, and I didn't even use any gel. I usually do these a lot when I am doing the 2-strand twist in her hair when she was younger, and that would help retain the softness and moisture in her hair. So now that I have decided to give her hair a break from the cornrows, I figured this is a good way to start, as this style can be easily managed. I will now play some music while I finish the rest of her hairstyle, but if you're not yet a subscriber, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video.
Speechless, 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 speechless. Your style, your style, your style, your style. London, 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 London. Because I big man she want, she no wanna let go you. Because a champion she want me, she no wanna back juice. Because a big man she want, she no wanna let go you. Because a champion she want me, she no wanna back juice. I know she lick long cute, I know she lick long cute, I know she lick long cute, I know she lick long cute. What don't she lick long cute? 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 Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. She don't wanna back juice. What don't she lick long cute? 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 She don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice. Samokano, 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 Samokano. Speechless, 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 speechless. Your style, your style, your style, your style. London, 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 London. I don't she lick long cute. 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 What don't she lick long cute? 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 Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. Speechless, 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 speechless. London, 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 London. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. I don't she lick long cute. She don't wanna back juice. What don't she lick long cute? 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 She don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back, don't wanna back juice, don't wanna back juice.
Thank you all for watching, and don't miss your chance to get a whooping 35% off my Speechless Hair Growth Blend. Just follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to redeem your coupon. Up, up.